guys, today I'm going to be reading this book by Mo Willems. Piggies Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes? A what? A ball, a swing, a hat. Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop and achoo! Sneeze. Oh no! What if piggies make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze a little softly? Sorry. But if piggies make me sneeze, if piggies do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart from each other forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not. Okay, Dr. Cat. Piggies make me sneeze. And Piggie is a pig. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Tud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, Doctor. Piggie, great news.